Hello, I'm Demetrius, the founder and CEO of Starmark and the creator of the App Connect series. App Connect educates companies on new ways to modernize their software stack using cloud applications. Today, we're going to feature Typeform and Stripe. So, Stripe is a new fintech solution that enables companies to process payments securely. I use Stripe to streamline operations, but also automate revenue operations as well. So with Stripe, they offer a robust API that's an application programming interface, which enables Stripe in your software to connect to other applications in your stack. And I'm going to educate you today on how to automate billing processes, reduce operating costs, and grow revenue with a next gen sales system. So the focus is using applications to deploy custom experiences powered by cloud software applications. We're going to cover integrations, which are synchronizing those apps to communicate in real time, which eliminates friction and maximizes output and efficiency. And then the logic, which is the most important piece. How will you use your applications? How will they communicate? How will you use it within your operations? So scaling autonomously and supercharging workflow productivity, as well as boosting operational efficiency using the platform integrations. So Typeform is one of my favorite tools in my software stack. I use Typeform for a wide range of use cases. It has a no-code drag and drop editor that makes building and crafting digital experiences smooth, easy, and painless. So Typeform is how we're going to actually build the onboarding for our user interface, using the user interface for our customers. We're going to connect that interface to Stripe using, again, an API. And Stripe enables you, once again, to manage your finances, your data, and your revenue securely from one platform. So this makes your accounting easy. So what's the problem? The common problem is sales bottlenecks. So most companies are losing revenue without being aware of it. And bottlenecks impedes conversions. So a few common reasons why organizations have bottlenecks is the following: outdated technology. Monolithic sales technology can also is often static and impersonal and is less responsive. So consider your customer as they're engaging with your user experience or engaging with your sales funnels or your checkout or your point of sales. If the technology used is static or impersonal or isn't responsive, that will eat away at your sales conversions, ultimately leading to fewer conversions and less revenue. Two is inefficient processes. So again, the logic behind why you use your applications and how you use those applications is critical to ensure that you have efficient processes within your operational workloads. So process constraints negatively impact customer experiences. And again, that leads to fewer sales conversions. And three is a paradox of choices. So you don't want to give your customer too many choices because it ends up confusing users and again, leading to fewer sales conversions. The solution is what I've crafted, which is a next gen sales system. So using the next gen sales system to automate. So I take the beauty of Stripe and also the functionality of Typeform and marry those two platforms together to create a custom solution for your point of sale needs. Personalized onboarding is going to ensure that every customer has a personalized experience. So personalized selling for every customer is going to increase the trust, it's going to build rapport, it's going to eliminate confusion, and it's going to build closer relationships with your users. So we're going to accomplish that through the customizable user interface. Two is secure checkout. So you want to remain compliant whenever you're processing payments. So Stripe's built-in compliance also fights fraud 24/7 to eliminate costly bottlenecks in the form of disputes or chargebacks. And three, data intelligence. So analyzing revenue health or real-time sales dashboards keep your business up to date with key metrics to unlock and understand performance based on your sales. So manual processes versus an automated system. What I'm eliminating with this solution is manual invoicing. So no need to manually invoice your customers. Your customers pay on demand. The interface in Stripe has 99.9% plus uptime, meaning that it's always available for you. It's resilient and it's reliable. Manual billing processes cause constraints and slows down sales cycles. Number two is manual data upload. Uploading customer records manually is time consuming. It's painful, it creates friction, and it ultimately eats away at the operational health of your business. So we want to automate that process. And three is manual sales demos. So the system eliminates the need to have to rely on human capital to facilitate sales demos. In the form of videos, we can replace that and place that video into the user interface powered by Stripe, powered by Typeform. Sorry. The autonomous system has self-serve checkout, meaning that your sales processes are going to streamline more effectively and more efficiently with 24/7 on-demand availability. So now your customers can simply enter in their card details and check out on their time on demand. And again, that eliminates the need for manual invoicing. It also accepts 135 different card processors around the world. So you can accept 135 different payment methods around the globe securely. Real time dashboards enable your business to unlock insights, manage data, and analyze reports. And on demand video demos, again, frees up a lot of the time that you would have to use for training an employee. And it also eliminates the need for you to have to pay an employee annually. So it saves thousands of dollars per year by having the right video content optimized in your sales process. This is the workflow, what it will look like for customers who actually engage with your sales system. So a user will submit details through Typeform. After they've submitted their details through Typeform, the conditional logic feature within Typeform's platform is going to segment every user based on their response, which is one of the most powerful features for the platform itself. So they submit their details, then they're going to personalize, the system is going to personalize that experience. It's going to enable the customer to purchase using their credit or debit card. On the back end, Stripe is collecting that data. So it's going to showcase your revenue analytics and your health, your business health, and also send a transfer to your bank account. And you can enable money in minutes, meaning you can get paid in minutes as soon as you have those funds available in your Stripe dashboard. Once the payment is complete, the system is going to alert you via email and your customer with the e-receipt to save trees and combat climate change. It's then going to enroll customers into a custom funnel, and it's going to update your CRM system if you have a CRM connected to your interface. A few key features, again, is a secure point of sale, can accept 135 different currencies around the world with fast, frictionless checkout. A shareable QR code and shareable links enable your customers to reach your sales system or your storefront or your point of sale digitally fast from anywhere in the world remotely on the go. And conditional logic, which was one of my favorite features, uniquely personalizes and segments each customer interactions at scale with conditional logic. So the integrated software applications, again, is Typeform and Stripe. However, you can also integrate this with a CRM. A CRM is defined as customer relationship management, and I use HubSpot. Another player in the space is Salesforce. There's Monday, there's Pipedrive. These are CRM platforms that enable you to manage your operations and also automate a lot of the mundane work that you would have to do. So connecting these three platforms together enables you to supercharge operational efficiency, but also streamline your payments and automate revenue operations. This is a modular microservice. So OPEX is a new system that I created, which is defined as operations and customer experiences. So this eliminates silos and bottlenecks. The silos are disconnected work environments in your back office. So maybe you're using a few different applications to manage your revenue operations. However, if those applications aren't connected, you have a lot of the manual processes, which is tedious work, which eats away at your efficiency and your output. So what I've crafted is a way to integrate applications into the virtual smart chip, and each application communicates to one another in real time as a system. and that system eliminates additional human capital. So the output of one virtual system is about 5 to 7 employees on average, depending on the workflows and how they're customized. Each application connects to the interface, and that interface is going to manage the onboarding for your customers while providing a personalized experience. So the remote enabled sales system is hybrid enabled. That's important because we want to be able to empower our payments to accept virtually anywhere in the world. Also, if you have an organization and a sales team, this now makes their job a lot easier. It makes their sales pipelines full. It makes them their selling abilities and capabilities, it supercharges that for them. And all the information and data now is stored directly into your CRM. So this is a mock-up of what it will look like. The customer goes to the interface, they enter in their card details, they've been onboarded, and now the after sales process will optimize that experience by enabling your users to give you feedback and information that can be used for sales campaigns and journeys in the form of surveys. Automating your sales processes in the CRM eliminates complexity, it decreases costs, and boosts sales revenue. So, what you see to the right side is a sales team. Now, this has been eliminated through the sales system. So, $192,000 per year, $192,000 per year has now been saved by your business if you invest into a sales system based on the customizations, the logic, and the automations that's been set up. So your sales manager, your sales analyst, and your demo specialist are now integrated into your software stack in the form of your sales system. And the framework I use is IOE. Infrastructure is your software applications, your operations is your workflow processes, and your experiences is your customer onboarding. And here's a brief mock-up of Stripe. So you get both applications with the custom business logic. Stripe enables you to also accept ACH bank transfers, credit and debit card payments, as fast, frictionless checkout, and you have the ability to receive money in minutes or rapid deposits. So again, Stripe integrates into Typeform's platform. It fights fraud. It has dynamic checkout and has a smart menu that personalizes the experiences. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach solutions@startmark.com or call 1-888-615-4212 to build a new automated sales system optimized to scale revenue autonomously. Thank you. I'm Demetrius, and I hope to see you at the next workshop.